Today I am going to give you a tip as to how to get rid of curly and frizzy hair. This tip will not permanently straighten your hair, but definitely it will help you straighten the curls and get a better, smoother, softer texture. All you need for this beauty tip is only 3 things. Egg, or you can use only egg white, honey and mayonnaise. I'll take 2 spoons of egg, 1 spoon of honey and more than half a spoon of mayonnaise. You mix all these ingredients properly. Remember, you have to apply this mask on your hair, so make it little more in quantity. I'll add 2 more spoons of egg. Egg, as we all know, is very good for hair. You have to make a fine paste. See, this is how your hair mask looks like. With all the qualities that mayonnaise, egg and honey has, it will definitely help you improve your hair texture. You have to apply it once a week before washing your hair.